In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Trello API in n8n. By the end, you'll have Trello connected and ready to use inside your workflows so you can automate tasks without writing code. Start by opening n8n in your browser and heading to the workflow editor. If you're on a fresh canvas, you'll see the option to add your first node. Go ahead and click Add a First Step. This opens the node selector where you can find all the services n8n can connect to. In the search bar, type Trello, then select the Trello node from the results. This adds the Trello node to your workflow. Right away, you'll be prompted to choose what you want this node to do. Pick an action that matches your use case, like creating a card or listing boards. Don't worry, you can change this action later. The important part right now is connecting your Trello account securely. Look for the field labeled Credentials or Credentials to connect with. Click the drop-down. If you haven't connected Trello before, you won't see any existing options yet. Choose Create New to start making a secure credential for Trello. This tells n8n how to authenticate on your behalf. You'll see fields for an API key and an API token. Have these ready from your Trello account. The key identifies your application and the token grants permission for n8n to act as you. Treat both like passwords, never share them publicly, and avoid storing them in plain text. Paste your API key into the key field and your API token into the token field, taking care to avoid extra spaces. If n8n gives you the option to name this credential, give it a clear, memorable name so you can reuse it in other workflows later. Once both values are entered, click Save. n8n will store the credential securely and attach it to the Trello node you're configuring. Back in the node, you should now see that your newly created credential is selected in the dropdown. From here, you can proceed to fine-tune the action you chose earlier, but the connection itself is complete. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If the fields don't appear as expected, make sure the Trello node is selected and that you chose an action. If you ever rotate your Trello token for security, remember to update it inside this credential so your workflows keep running smoothly. That's it, your Trello API is now set up in n8n and ready to power your automations.